To get started with Continusec, the first thing we need to do is go to the console and sign in. We can see the link on the top right, so we'll click that. And because this is the first time that I've visited the console, I'm prompted to either create a new login for use with Continusec, which will take an email address. I'll set a password up and then I'll verify the email address before continuing. I can log in with an existing account that I've created earlier, or the simplest option, if you already have a Google account, is to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to click that. I'm now given a permissions prompt from Google to ask whether I want to give Continusec permission to know what my email address is at Google. I'll allow that. And I'm now logged in to Continusec. Because this is the first time that I'm using Continusec, I'm prompted to accept the terms of service. Please review the terms and when happy, click accept to continue. To interact with data structures on Continusec, the first thing I need to do after I'm signed in is create an account. An account is essentially a bucket that holds the different data structures that I create, and it is a unit that I can share with other administrators in my organization. It's where I configure API keys for programmatic access to the account, and it's where I'll configure billing or activate my trial. So for now, I'm going to create a new account, and I'm going to call it test account. The name that we enter here is for our own reference only, and we can change that at any time. So hit create to continue. I've now created a new account, and on the manage account page I have a number of tabs where I can see different aspects of this account. We start off on the billing tab. Before we can use the account, we need to activate it. Currently we are offering a free trial that includes $100 of credit to be used within 60 days. So right now I'm going to activate my free trial so that I can get started using the products. Our next video will now show us how to get started setting up access control rules and using the shell to create a basic verifiable log and a verifiable map.